Sekuyinto ejwayelekile ukuthi abadlali bakuleli bayithole sebebhekene nobunzima uma sebethathe umhlalaphansi kanti ukungabi namaso kokushiya lomdlalo kubonwa njengengqinamba enkulu. Kepha lokho kungaphela maduze ngemva kokuthulwa kohlelo lokufundisa abadlali oluzophathwa isikhungo iGordon Institute of Business Science.
As much as we were arguing and debating this matter, responsibility because we pay top salaries to the players. But there's a human element that goes with it, the parent, element that goes with it. That, these important, stakeholders in our industry cannot be left, without being given support.
Enkulumweni yakhe nabadlali, uhlelo we-PSL ukugcizelele ukuthi ababe ngabadlali kufanele baqhubeke nokubamba iqhaza kulomdlalo ngeindlela ezehlukene.
This course also, came about also as a reflection on our side. That you don't get enough, cycling of people with experience in the industry. Because when they finish, they get lost.
Inyunyana yabadlali ilemukele ngezandla ezimhlophe lolu hlelo.
We need players to educate themselves, to be empowered, so that they can prepare themselves for life after football. It's not easier, but we hope these programs they will encourage and inspire other players to study and prepare for life after football.
Lolu hlelo luzovulela abadlali amathuba ahlukene.
I think if there's anything, it just empowers footballers from where I'm sitting, or from managers or agents for that matter, or intermediaries for that matter. I think it just makes it more exciting for us, because I think it's more like information that some of us are preaching on the players.
Abadlali abangamashumi ayisithupha be-PSL sebefaka ohlelweni lokufunda lwenyanga eziyisithupha oluzokwenziwa ngohlelo lwezokuxhumana nge-internet.